back with a quick unboxing video. About a week ago I entered a contest, or not a contest, it was a giveaway for Halloween contacts, and luckily I won and I just got them. They are from Contactlenshub and there were 6 pair that I won. So I'm gonna go ahead and try them on and show you guys what I got. So far I unpackaged this and they come nicely packaged up in little contact boxes. I can't really see which ones they are. I think this one's called Fire. Yeah, Fire. So I'll go ahead and open this up right now. Okay, and they come in contact lens packaging, which is cool. So I thought they were actually gonna come in like contact lens cases, but they didn't. So I'm gonna have to fit all 6 pair in here until I get some more, which that'll be like this weekend or something, I don't know. So I'm gonna take my contacts off and unbox all of these, and I'm also going to take pictures at the same time because I'm really not going to have any other time to make this video. So let's get started. Okay, so the first pair is called Fire and they are super soft wearable lenses. I have contacts, but mine are a little thicker, so these don't even feel like I'm wearing any, so which is really cool. I've actually never worn colored contacts before. This is my first time. I know some of you have probably seen some of my work and have my eyes edited, but I use apps for that. So to try these on is freaking awesome. They look really cool. So there's the first pair called Fire. So I'm gonna go ahead and take pictures of that so y'all can see them better. These are really freaking cool. Like honestly, I'd probably wear these like all the time. Okay, so the next pair are these cool ones. Look at that. That is so awesome. These are called Black Wolf. So yes. Okay, living. I am living. These are cool. I mean, these are gonna make my makeup looks look really awesome. So, Black Wolf. Okay, so our next set is called Twilight. These are pretty cool. I was really looking forward to these because, of course, Twilight, and I love the movies. So, these are pretty cool. So, Twilight. Okay, so these next pair are called Red Wolf, and my eyes are starting to get watery. I'm not used to switching out contacts like this, so sorry if my eyes are getting a little red, but these are called Red Wolf. So here are the next pair. These are called VOLTURT. Hopefully if I'm saying that right. These, I like these too. These are cool. I mean, they're all cool. I'm like really excited. They look really awesome. So I only got one more pair to try on and that's it. So we have VOLTURT, something like that. So the last pair we have are called Screen White, and this is what they look like. Really cool. So that's pretty much it. That's all 6 pair. So thank you so much, Contactlenshub. I really appreciate this. These are just gonna be so much fun to work with, and it's just gonna make my look so much more cooler. And yes, like I am so grateful I won these. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll catch y'all later. Bye.